What's up, guys? Want to make here a quick video for you. The Mercedes W220 and your have no heat in it. Long story short, your blower motor doesn't come on. You go to turn on the settings over here and no air is blowing out of your vents. What you want to do is you're gonna have to take out your glove box area here, and you're also gonna have to come underneath the car from the bottom right over here. Take off this bottom panel that's covering this, and over here where I already have it taken out, where the hole is right there, you have a few screws to remove, and you're gonna pull out the blower motor fan. Okay, it looks like this, and it also has what's known as a blower motor resistor attached to it, which is this thing. Okay, so if the blower motor stops working and it's not blowing, you have to replace three things. You have to replace the blower motor resistor, you have to get a new one, which is this thing, and you unhook it simply. You're gonna have to replace the blower motor itself, and then you're also gonna have to get yourself one of these things, which is known as a cabin filter. On this side you can see cabin filter. So you're gonna have to get all three of those things and replace it. The cabin filter, it's gonna probably look like this. You should want to service your cabin filter irrespective, so you don't build up an accumulation as such. This is a cabin filter. You're gonna pull that out, and once you replace all three of those things, you will have heat again, air blowing out, whatever it is that you need. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe if this video helped.